Hi everybody, how are you doing? This is Tara Gurry here, your North Myrtle Beach Realtor. It's been a little while since I've done a tower tour of a property. Reason being, I've been busy with clients, doing a lot of showings. I had a listing that went under contract in 3 days and we just went ahead and closed on that. And then I've done a lot of showings for clients and have made offers. Offer was accepted. And so all good things have been going on. And talking about good things, this is going to be a tour that you're going to love. So this is a brand new home. No one's ever lived in it before. It's right here in North Myrtle Beach at 1705 26th Avenue North. The neat thing about this location, we're just a block walk to the Intercoastal Waterway. So if you're a boater, bring your boat. This place is for you. This is a larger ranch, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Total square footage is 2,000 square feet. Heated is 1,568. And the asking price is $419. What I really like about this too is it comes with a warranty on it, so a new home warranty. The builders were kind enough to add that here. Short-term rentals are allowed. Golf cart ride will take you right down to the beach, and this is a quiet residential neighborhood. But again, you're close to all the things that North Myrtle Beach has to offer. So let's go ahead, no further ado, let's go ahead and enjoy this property. Okay, so 26th Avenue North. And this is a ranch, 1-car garage as you see. An open, spacious floor plan we have here. The large kitchen, dining area, and a great room. Alrighty. Walking in here, I really love the colors that they've chose. A popular gray, and then the luxury vinyl plank throughout the whole home. And that nice kind of weathered look. So this is the great room dining area. You can put it all in here in the living area. So a nice breakfast bar here and an island. Stainless steel appliances. And high Whirlpool grade. Very nice. Nice cabinetry. You have your dishwasher right there. Everything is accessible. You can go ahead and be cutting the veggies and watching them and looking over the great room. So what I love about this too is your backyard. We have a nice large backyard here. And your patio area. Nice mature trees here. Very large backyard. This is a great size lot. And it's nice too because the patio area is covered. It's great. This is in a quiet neighborhood. No HOAs. And as I said, short-term rentals are allowed. Okay. And then here you have your washer and dryer and plenty of space here for storage. Utility room as well. Commercial grade, everything's brand new, which is just excellent. Who doesn't love that? So coming into the master bedroom, 2 large windows here, letting in plenty of natural light. All the rooms have ceiling fans with lights. And then a spacious walk-in closet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps in this walk-in closet, and I have a long gate, so yeah, that's a great sized closet. So, and again, with the 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, you just have so much space here. So, and this master has the 2 vanities and sinks here. And then the shower, you can sit down in here too, plenty of a nice large shower. And everything's brand spanking new, which is just so nice. When you tour a lot of homes, it's so nice to come into the newly constructed ones. So 2 windows here, again, nice and large, letting in plenty of light in this bedroom. And your closet right there. Okay, and the full bath here. So a shower tub combo. Okay. So making our way to the 3rd bedroom. Closet here. And then here we have a Jack and Jill bathroom with the dual vanities. And shower in here. With a little window up above letting in natural light. And your toilet here. So really some nice features, nice upgraded features, and just beautiful the way it's done. And we even have a mirror on the door, so that's nice. So, and this is the last bedroom here. And of course the closet. You notice how all the closets have lights, and they're deep too. You're able to walk in on this as well in all the closets. And here, so again with the large windows and the high ceilings. The ceilings are 9 feet. And the other thing that's wonderful about this too is it's on a high lot. And speaking of the boat, so again, we're just 1 block to the Intercoastal Waterway, and then the boat ramp is less than a mile away. So again, bring the boat. All righty. Go out here and show you the garage over here. This is a nice, peaceful neighborhood. Down at the end, it is a dead end down there. And then again, this is 26th Avenue North. With that one-car garage. All right, everybody. So happy you joined me on this tower tour. And if you're interested in this lovely new home, just give me a call. Number's 843-877-5839. Or if you're interested in another property, let me know. I do show properties and work with clients in other areas as well. So right now I'm working with a client. We're looking down in Surfside, and I'm working with another one that's interested in a new construction out in Conway. So as well as Myrtle Beach. I've recently had a transaction sale in Myrtle Beach. So I do know the whole Grand Strand area. I've been here for 28 years, went to the university here, and so know the area very well. All right, y'all, take care. Until next time.